This is gonna blow your mind. Your nail care routine might not be as flawless as you think. Let's dive in. First up, overfiling your nails. It may seem like a good idea to get those perfect shapes, but overfiling can weaken your nails and lead to breakage. Instead, file gently in one direction. Next, cutting your cuticles. Yes, it feels satisfying, but cuticles protect your nails from infection. Push them back gently after a shower instead. Number 3, skipping the base coat. We get it, you're in a rush to apply that gorgeous color. But skipping the base coat can lead to staining and weaker nails. Always start with a base coat for a smooth and healthy finish. Fourth, using your nails as tools. We've all done it, opening cans or scratching off stickers with our nails. But this can cause serious damage and breakage. Use actual tools and save your nails the stress. Finally, not moisturizing your nails. Your nails need hydration too. Apply cuticle oil or hand cream regularly to keep them strong and healthy. So there you have it. 5 common nail care mistakes and how to fix them. Remember, your nails deserve the best care. Treat them well and they'll thank you with a stunning, healthy look. Got any more nail care tips? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and follow for more beauty secrets. Happy nail care, everyone!